Hey, hello everyone. Let's see how to work with looping statements in JavaScript. We know about control statements. Control statements are used to control the flow of execution. One of the control statement is looping statements. Under looping statements, you have like while, do while, for in, and for off. Basically, looping statements are used to reduce the lines of code. Okay. Basically, if I want to print numbers 0 to 4, right, what I will do is I'll print like this one by one. 0, then console.log 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will write like 6 lines of code. But with the help of looping statements, I can reduce this. I can write a better code. Okay. And one more important thing about these while, do while, and for is all these three loops requires uh, initialization and then a condition and the increment or decrement also has to be done. Okay. This is mandatory um, with looping statements. And this for in and for off is for arrays and objects. We'll see that each of these one by one. Okay. Let's start with while. Make sure to remember initialize and give a condition and make sure to use increment or decrement. Okay. Here, let's start with while. So we are starting with looping statements. Okay. I want to print like numbers between 0 to 4. So here, let me create a variable let a is equal to 0. Okay. I'm gonna try while loop. While I'm going to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So a is less than or equal to 4. And yeah, console.log. Okay. Okay. And yeah, now we initialized a variable and we gave a condition. Then next we need to increment or decrement. Okay, in this case it is a is equal to a plus 1 or yeah, we are using JavaScript, right? So a plus plus is enough. Okay, if you did not use this increment or decrement, then this condition may not be met and it will not stop. It will go in infinite loop. Okay. So we used initialization, condition, and increment. Now let's run this. We'll see the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We clear the output and close. Okay. Now let's look at do while. Okay. In do while, what we need to do is do and yeah, do small letter it is. Do console.log. I'm gonna print a and I have to increase the increment or decrement. I'm gonna print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only again. So here only we have to give the condition while a is less than or equal to 4. Okay. Now what will happen is in do while this console.log will be executed before even this condition is checked. That's the difference between while and do while. Let's run this and see. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Output came as expected. You're good. Right. Next, my favorite loop for. For is a very effective loop. We can do that increment condition and initialization in a single line. So yeah, I is equal to 0, I increment, then condition I less than or equal to 4, and then I plus plus. So mostly we need to use this variable named is. Mostly with for loop we will increment only. So as it starts with I, it's a general practice to use I for loop. You're decrementing, feel free to use d is equal to 0 like that. So dot log I. Okay. You can see the effectiveness of for loop, right? Within these two, three lines, you are able to do the same operation, printing numbers 0, 1 to 4. With that, you can print like 0 to 100, 99 also, right? Just two lines. So this for loop is very, very effective. And we can decrement this also. Let's say if I want to print from 4 to 0, then 4 is less than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. I can print this in a decrement way also. Yeah, there is some error in it. I is equal to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Yes. Okay. Found the mistake. Now we can see right 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Output came as expected. And now let's see the remaining two, far in and far off. As I said, it is used to work with arrays and objects. Let's do with arrays. Let me create an array like let laptop brand. Creating array of laptop brand. What are the laptop brands? Dell, Lenovo, which I'm using, HP, and yeah. So we created array. Now far in, right. So far, let me create a variable like a in laptop brand. Okay, this is how we need to use for in, and like console.log. If I print a, right, this will indicate the index of the array. So this has 0, 1, 2, 3. The index is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So that's what you can see in the output 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want to print the values inside the array, then you have to give it like and then like this. This will like a laptop brand of 0 is Dell and laptop brand of 1 is Lenovo, HP and Asus. It's Lenovo, HP and Asus. Good. Now for off. Okay. So for that, just remove this in and put off. But the difference is instead of mentioning the array like this, we put a. This itself will denote the value of the array now. You can see the difference now. You can see right, we did not put like laptop brand of A like that. With far off loop, if we put the variable like this, then it will give us the output. This will be very effective when we use this far off and far in with arrays and objects. But for other functions, this while, do while, and for are very effective. My favorite is for. Yeah, make sure to use with looping statements. Make sure to use initialize condition, increment, decrement. I think that's all about looping statements. Thank you for watching.